Hi again and welcome to Zero Spread channel. In this video we are going to talk about the margin. One of the most common questions that especially beginners are asking, what's the margin and how we can use it, how it affects in our trades, in our positions. Let me explain it in very other simple way. Uh, let's, for example, we have a, for example, mm, let's say that that's a basketball playground. It's a basketball player. So uh, in half of this, there is a one team. In the second half is other team. Each time, totally we have five players in this side, for example, and five players in that side. Totally, this area is enough for 10 players. What's happening if in this area we have 11 players, 12 players? So these 10 players, why we say it's enough for 10 players? Because these 10 players, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This area is good enough for 10 players to move, right? To move. Up, down, different areas, up, down, different areas, back, behind, forward. This playground, this area is enough for 10 person to play, good enough, comfort, very comforting in the basketball. But let's say if we have here more than 10 players, if we have here 20 players, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 16, 18, 19, 20. So, what if we have here 20 players? What's going to happen? These players, they cannot move comfortable. They cannot move normally. They cannot give the ball to each other. So most of the time they will cross the borders. And then what will be happen? The game will stop and they have to start again. So the area will not be enough for play, right? To play normal basketball. This is exactly same in our trading situation. When we have, let's say, if we have uh, for example, 100 USD to trade. And we have the leverage of 100. And we want to trade gold, XAU USD. 100 US dollar we have, 100 leverage. Normally, in standard, maximum lot size that we can trade here is 0.02. It's a standard. Why? Because with the 0.02, we can control our trade and not cross the borders in most normal time to don't lose our capital. So our capital, this 100 USD, will be our margin. So in very simple word, our margin is our capital. Why? Let's say for example like this. This is the chart. This 1300, the price of the gold. And you want to go, for example, buy position by 0.02 and you have 100 USD, is your margin, and your leverage is 100. It means for each USD movement in a price, your balance will be minus or plus 2 US dollar, which it means for 100 USD and 0.02 lot size, you have to have 50, you have 50 USD movement. You have opportunity of the move 50 USD, or better to say 45 USD, because your leverage percentage will close your trade. You have 45 USD, 50 USD non-digits to move. And usually, in more than 90% of the time, if the price is 1300, you are going to the buy position. To become again to 1300 is if you say that if you fall this 1250, then your position will be closed. Before that, you have opportunity to close your position if you don't go for the stop loss or whatever. And just to explain what's the margin, right? And now I'm not talking about the stop loss. I'm not talking how we have to guarantee our position. Just totally what's the how we can use this margin, right? So 15 USD down and 15, so minus 15 USD and plus 50 USD will give you the opportunity to use your 100 USD in a buy or sell position. Then if you are in a buy, so you have 50 USD dollar movement. So this 50 USD dollar movement, most of the time it's not going to happen in 1 hour or 2 hours or in one day or even in 1 week. Maybe even special stuffs happen in one day that you say that okay, the movement we had a movement $20, $30 per day, but not $50 in one day. It's happening so rare. So in total situation, in normal situation, we can control our margin. We can use our margin based on the lot size that we have. So the margin, what's the margin totally in very simple short way is our capital, and this means the place that we have to play. It means the end of the space is the space that we have opportunity to move in. It's exactly same here. It's the end of the space to we have for moving. Okay. Hope it's in a short way. It's able to explain what's the margin and how we can control it. In our video, we will talk about the money management and risk management in our trade, but totally this example it was to explain how what's the margin. If you have any question, please write in the comments down in this video in our YouTube channel, or send us the message in our Facebook page, or you can visit our website zerospread.info and send us the email by the contact form in our website, and let us know if you have any question. 24/5 we are in your service to help you for your trades. All the best, and thank you so much for watching this video.